back today with a Sephora VIB Rouge sale haul. Every year I keep saying that I'm not going to go as crazy, but every time the sale comes around I just can't help myself and I have to pick up things in April and November, always like clockwork. So with that being said, I'm going to jump right into the haul video and show you guys what I picked up. Most of it is some new with a mixture of a bit of my favorites, but for the most part I'm really trying to just use up what I have. So you'll notice that like there's no blushes in this haul, there's no foundations, because I'm just trying to get through what I have. So let's hop right in. I did make 2 trips to Sephora, so I will start off with the first bag of stuff that I picked up, and then naturally, of course, before the sale ended yesterday, which is Monday, I had to go back and pick up more things. So the first thing I got is the Boscia Makeup Breakup Cool Cleansing Oil. This stuff I have used for years. I love it. I have yet to find something similar that I like just as much. So I picked up another bottle of this. I wish I didn't go through it so fast because I just go through this stuff like water, but I love it. So I picked up another bottle. Then I picked up another bottle of my Clinique Dramatically Different Lotion Moisturizing, Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus with Pump. So I'll show you what this looks like because they also have a similar version but in a gel, and the gel does not work for me. My skin is just more on the drier side. So this is what the lotion looks like. I do really like this. I tend to use it in the evening, but it is really a light cream, so you could definitely use it in the day as well. It doesn't sit well under makeup, I find, which is why I use it more as an evening cream, and it's super affordable and does the job. Then I picked up a couple of eye products. The first being another of the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. I used a tube of this up when I purchased it in November during the Rouge sale, and I absolutely loved it. It gives you really full black Boom lashes, and I just absolutely love this stuff. And then I picked up a new product to try, which is the Hourglass Arch Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. And this stuff apparently is amazing. I've used the Glossier Boy Brow, I've used the Benefit Gimme Brow, and apparently from what I've heard from reviews, people like this stuff even more than the Glossier Boy Brow, which is crazy to me. So I'm excited to give this a try. The wand on this is really unique too. It has a really cool shape where one side is a bit longer, the other side's a bit shorter, as you can kind of see here on the brush. So I'm excited to try this. I hope I got the right shade. I haven't used it yet, but we will soon find out. And then I also picked up a few lip products, one of which I am wearing today. It is the Laura Mercier Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick. So I'm wearing this today. This is in the shade Stylin, which is a really gorgeous orange. Alana Davidson, or Alana Rama, she was wearing this in a video and I was like, oh my god, I need this in my life. And there were so many other colors that I was so tempted to pick up, but I just really try to be disciplined. But it comes in a sort of pen format, which I really like. So it makes it easy to apply. And this is, I've only been wearing it for like 5 minutes. I put it on right before filming. And the formula is pretty light. Not too drying for a matte lipstick either. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this wears throughout the day. And then I also picked up 2 of the Dior lip glows. So for me, I don't usually buy designer makeup to this extent. This was definitely a special treat. But again, Alana Davidson was raving about this, and I got the shades the Balm 001 and then the Matte 102. So the matte one I have tried, I did wear it yesterday. It's more on the pinky side. It says Matte Raspberry is the name. I was hoping it would be a little bit more on the berry side, but it was quite pink on me. So they both come in these little tubes here. The Balm one apparently adjusts to your lip. So it has that, I don't know, the formula adjusts to the color of your lips. So it is just very much a natural pinky nudie balm, and then the matte raspberry looks like that, and it is a matte balm, and it wasn't too drying. It did a good job of staying in place all day, which I really like, without it feeling like you had anything too heavy on your lips. So that is what I got on my first trip. Then I went back because I was running out of time when I went on my first trip. So then I went back and I picked up a few more things just when I thought that I was doing great. I went back for more. So the first thing is the Clinique Pep Start HydroBlur Moisturizer. This stuff comes in a little blue tub, and I had a sample of this that I tried, and from the texture of the moisturizer, it's very thick. And when I first put it on, I was like, ugh, I'm gonna hate this. Like, it doesn't seem very creamy and moisturizing. But once I actually put it all over my face, it really is just a thick moisturizer primer hybrid. And I don't really use primers. I find that they don't really do much for me, but this stuff is incredible. Now the trick will be, the test will be, how well does it sit under makeup, because I haven't worn makeup over it, but I tried it on a day when I wasn't wearing any makeup, but it really blurs out your pores. It's crazy. So I'm excited to see how this works underneath makeup, because on its own, I was really impressed with what a great job it did of blurring, but also still moisturizing. So I got that. Also on the Clinique front, I picked up this cute little set here that comes in this little white bag. This was, I think, $25, and you get the Pep Start 2-in-1 exfoliating cleanser, the Pep Start mini eye cream, and a mini Pep Start Hydro Rush moisturizer with SPF 20. So I'm excited to try out these products, because so far, for the most part, I'm liking the Clinique stuff that I've used, but I didn't want to fully invest in all the full size. This is a nice way to try, and it comes in this cute little white little travel bag, which is great. I was also on the market for another eye cream. I don't really use eye cream, and I feel like I should. I feel like I'm starting to get sort of darker circles under my eyes, so I picked up the Origins Ginzing eye cream. I have used this stuff before years ago, and it really does do an amazing job of brightening the under eye area. It comes in this cute little pot here. So I got that, and then also in a mission to cover up my under eyes, I picked up, this was also totally on a whim, but the Tarte CC under eye corrector. There's only 2 shades, so I haven't tried this yet. I got the light medium, obviously, because that's the lighter of the 2, but I'm wondering if it's still going to be too dark, because I am quite fair. But it comes in this little palette here. I've heard mixed reviews about this. I like Tarte as a brand, that they're cruelty-free, paraben-free, all that good stuff. So I'm hoping that I will really like this for under the eyes. Next, I got, what else is in here? My first ever Fenty product. So many people rave about Fenty. I've yet to try anything from the line, but I picked up this set here, and it is a mini kilowatt highlighter in the shade, I feel like this is in the shade Hustla, baby. It doesn't say. I swear it said that somewhere. I'm not sure. And then it comes with the Universal Gloss Balm as well. So minis of both of these. I was gonna get the full-size gloss, but the smell is very strong, like a very strong watermelon-y smell, and I'm worried that that's gonna bother me. So I got the mini to try. I know a lot of people like the highlighter as well, so I figured this would be a good way to try both for basically $5 more than what the full-size lip gloss costs on its own. So that's why I picked up that set. So we will see how I get along with that. Then I also picked up, I'm like all over the place here. What else is in here? The Urban Decay Primer Potion. I got the anti-aging one because Makeup by Tiffany D really likes this one. Normally I've tried the original. I've been experimenting with a lot of other eye primers lately. The Laura Mercier one, the NARS one, the Too Faced one. And none of them really just do the job. I wouldn't say I have really oily eyelids, but for some reason, it just doesn't work well for me. So I keep going back to the Urban Decay Primer Potion, but I figured I'm running low on the original formula, so I wanted to try the anti-aging. So we'll see how I get on with that. And then I picked up a mini It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC cream. I'm in the shade Light. I have the full size of this. I absolutely love it, and I figured that having the mini version would be great for travel. I was bummed because this isn't on the website anymore, or at least I can't find it on the website, so I was worried that they weren't making the mini CC anymore. But they are. I found it in store, so I was really happy about that to keep for when I'm traveling. And I also picked up a couple of lip products. The first being the Marc Jacobs Liquid Lip Crayon. This is in the shade Pink Straight. So I am obsessed with these. I actually bought, I think, 6 colors originally. I did return 2. I returned Night Mauves, I think, and Sun Nudes, I think, are the 2 that I took back. The colors just weren't quite right for my skin tone. I wasn't over the moon, but the formula of these is amazing. It has this pearly undertone to it that just glides on the lips like nothing I've ever experienced before. So the 4 shades that I have are Framboise, How Rouge, Burn Notice, and Flamingo, and I love them. And then I recently found out that Lady Gaga's makeup artist, she uses a lot of Marc Jacobs products, so that's why I have quite a few Marc Jacobs products, because I am a massive Lady Gaga fan. But I found out that Pink Straight is apparently what they were using on the Joanne tour with Gaga, so naturally I had to pick it up. So it just comes in this pencil, and you do have to be careful because it is such a delicate, creamy lipstick, but this stuff is amazing. It does feel fairly light, but you still feel like you have something on the lips, which is why I then picked up 2 lip glosses, because I've been going through a phase lately where I don't love the feeling of heavy lip products anymore on my lips, and I don't know what it is, like even just lipsticks now bother me. So I picked up 2 glosses from Bare Minerals. They're the Gen Nude Buttercream lip glosses. I picked up the shades Sugar and Heartbreaker. Now, I love Buxom lip glosses. I just wanted to try something different. There's no real reason why I picked up the Bare Minerals ones, but I love the formula of them when I swatch them. They seem to be super light and creamy, so I'm excited to give these a go, and I'll see if I like them as much as I like Buxom glosses. Last lip product I picked up is the Clinique Pep Start Pout Restoring Night Mask. Fleur de Force was talking about this in her evening skincare routine, and I just love lip balms. Like, I'm always trying new ones. I like that this is in a little tube and not in a pot. And apparently it's really nice. No strong scent to it either, which I quite like. And then the last thing I picked up on a whim was the Clinique Pep Start Daily UV Sun Protector in SPF 50. This was a good price for a sunscreen. It was $25. I have the Tarte Guard, which is okay. I wouldn't run out and repurchase it again, but I thought that I would give this a try because it is designed more so for the face. Which is great. A lot of my moisturizers and like BB or CC creams that I have already have SPF in them, but this would be good for days when either I'm not wearing any makeup or I'm wearing a foundation that doesn't have SPF and I want to layer this underneath. It is designed to go under makeup, and it's non-comedogenic and all that good stuff that you obviously want in a face sunscreen. So that is everything. I tried to talk fast so that I wasn't boring you all, because sometimes my hauls can get to be pretty lengthy. So that is what I picked up in the sale. I would love to know what you guys picked up. Definitely leave comments down below. Send me a link to your video. If you did a haul video, I would love to watch it. And that is all that I picked up. I would do like a recommendations as well, but I just really wanted this to be a haul video. If you want to know recommendations, definitely go back to my previous Sephora hauls. I've definitely thrown in some of my favorite products in those videos, so I can link that down below for you guys, but not really much has changed since last year in terms of recommendations and new product discoveries that I love. So yeah, that will bring me to the end of this video. I hope you guys are having a great week. I am trying to dress more springy-like with my white blazer and nice orange lip, but it is currently snowing and freezing rain outside. Don't you love Toronto? So that is what I am up to today. I hope that the weather is warmer and more spring-like where you guys are, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.